Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can have the zoom in effects without having to use keyframes on the CapCut mobile. So in here, I have this video that I want to zoom in on the objects. And here, if you don't want to use keyframes, you can just use this CapCut effects. So first, you can just go to effects. Now click on the video effects and then click on the lens category. Okay, so after this, just find the zoom lens effect. This one, click on the effect and you can see it will have that zoom in effect that you want. See, here you can also adjust it. So for example, I'm going to increase the speed so that the zoom in will be fast. Here you can also adjust the range. Okay, you can see how much you want to zoom, just adjust it on the range here. And after that, click on the check icon and that's it. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.